Benefits of yellow corn: promoting cardiovascular health, according to studies. Corn oil rich in mono, unsaturated and necessary fatty acids to promote cardiovascular health such as omega-3 may help reduce levels of harmful cholesterol, LDL, in the blood by reducing its absorption into the body. Reduce the chances of blockage of blood vessels and reduce blood protection against anemia. Because yellow corn is a source of iron and folic acid, it has an effective role in preventing anemia, as iron is an essential component of red blood pellets. Because of its rich folic acid, corn helps prevent neural tube abnormalities in embryos. Promoting digestive health, help prevent constipation and hemorrhoids. It works to relieve the symptoms of IBS. Energy supply to the body. Corn is a high vegetable with starches and calories, with every 100 grams of it supplying us with approximately 86 calories. So yellow corn may enter overweight and thin treatment diets. Skin and eye health. Since corn is a rich source of vitamin A, beta-carotene, and antioxidants needed to neutralize free radicals, a benefit of yellow corn is that its intake helps combat signs of aging, and wrinkles in particular, promote skin health, freshness and brightness, maintain eye health, sight integrity, and combat macular sight integrity and combat macular sweeping that may immunity promotion and cancer prevention. Due to corn containing high amounts of antioxidants and effective compounds such as phenol, beta-carotene, vitamin E, vitamin C, and fiber, one of the benefits of corn is that very effective in promoting immunity, neutralizing free radicals, and combating various infections. Helps combat some types of cancers. Phenolic compounds, for example, have been found to play. It may be very important to strengthen bones and teeth, and we sing it with many important minerals, such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and copper.